to be held on 28th and 29th of November here at Bhangmon, North Tripura district. So far my knowledge runs. Last year, Tripura Tourism Department initiated this program for the first time. And Jampui was one of the places wherein we had tremendous support from the common masses, which subsequently inspired us to come here second time in 2025 also. On the dais, we have with us the inaugurator of today's program, respected Honorable Minister, Government of Tripura, Department for Agriculture and Power, etc. Sri Ratal Nath. We have Srimati Shantana Chakma, Minister for Industries and Commerce. Ziladipati, North Tripura Zila Parishad, Aparna Nath. Sri Philip Kumar Young, MLA from Kanchanpur Assembly Constituency. We have Shailendra Nath, MDC. We have Bimal Kanti Chakma, he is missing. Bhubikananda Riyang, MDC. Our Shailendra Nath, MDC. District Administration officials, Secretary Tourism, UK Chakma, Director Tourism, Prashant Badal Negi, Honorable Chairman, Jampui Hill, RD Block, Mr. Bayak Chung Guna, Chairman, Laljuri RD Block, my dear media friends, my dear friends from Mizo Convention was sitting over there. Ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters coming from different nooks and corners of this Bhangmon region. I welcome you all in this wonderful evening to Bhangmon to attend this Unity Promo Fest 2025. As you all know, that this Unity Promo Fest has been done with a new design this year. Last year in 2024, Promo Fest was started, and as a case study, we organized this Promo Fest festival in 4 different locations. Narikal Kunj, which was inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister, followed by Melaghar, then Jampui region, and finally it was culminated on 12th of December 2024 at Stable Ground, Agartala, with a musical concert attended by eminent Bollywood singer Shreya Ghoshal. The response we received last year has inspired us to organize this program or increase the number of days this year. And keeping everything in view, this year we have decided to hold this program or organize this program for 2 days. Today, this is the opening and will continue tomorrow also. And I don't have any iota of doubt in my mind that as the night progresses, the turnout will be more and more in the coming times. As of now, few hundred people have come over here, assembled here, and whenever the cultural programs will be started, I think the crowd would be in higher side. So I don't want to take much of your time, but few things, few points which are important, inevitable to be discussed here, which Shantana Chakma has cited, Honorable Minister, that peace, tranquility, fraternity, brotherhoodness, these are all integral part for prosperity, for peace, establishing peace, and taking forward our tourism sector in the national arena. And keeping that in view, Tourism Department has initiated the process, the Promo Fest, and this year onwards, the term or the word unity has been added. Because the program has been designed to bring all the communities, tribes, sub-tribes of our state under one umbrella and showcase our state in terms of tourism infrastructure, in terms of tourism development to the rest of the world. We have to evaluate at present where we stand and before 2018, what was the stand of tourism in our state. My dear brothers and sisters, Jambu, it is the only hill station of our state. Every year, thousands of tourists come from different nooks and corners of our country as well as of our state. If we are unable to give them proper hospitality, if we are unable to give them proper infrastructure in fooding, lodging, logistics support, our efforts will go to vain. We won't be able to achieve the desired result. And keeping that in view, under the able stewardship of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Shah, we have been progressing towards the development in terms of infrastructure, in terms of culture, in terms of food, everything. Tourism has come across in the coming times and we are progressing gradually and we have to go a long way in the coming times. Our Secretary Mr. Chakma was citing about homestay facilities. What was the homestay? The number of homestay in the state was nothing. In 2014, during the starting of Promo Fest Festival, 9 homestay license was given at Narikal Kunj by the Honorable Chief Minister. And now, after a span of 1 year, the number of homestay has increased to 150 in the Narikal Kunj vicinity only. In the entire state, if we calculate, the number of homestay has gone to 250 plus, and we are very happy that last year, one retired Air Force official in front of that Bhangun, our Eden Tourist Lodge, one retired Air Force official has started his homestay and he has dedicated the homestay facilities under the fighter jets like Rafale, Tejas, Jaguar, etc. after getting retired from his service. It speaks in volume. The homestay facilities, each and every time, people coming in large number, they are getting the homestay facility in cheaper rate. They are getting fooding facility in cheaper rate everywhere to different nooks and corners of our state. And we have to take it forward in the coming times because tourism, in one side, we have to give infrastructure to showcase our state to the rest of the world, and on the other hand, we must give livelihood to the unemployed youth of our state, which is the main intention of our Honorable Prime Minister. And I assure you, ladies and gentlemen, that in coming 12 to 15 months, we'll have a complete different horizon of tourism altogether. When it comes to infrastructure, when it comes to road facility connectivity, when it comes to cultural tourism, spiritual tourism, ecotourism, we all have been working in a holistic manner to take our state forward to the national level and showcase our state to the outside of our country as well. And keeping that in view, we have been working hand to hand, shoulder to shoulder with Government of India as well as under the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister, Professor Dr. Manik Saha. Our Senior Minister, Atal Nath, is also here. We get valuable suggestions from him on different occasions. Today, he has come all the way from Agartala, covering a good distance. Shantana Chakma, Philip Priang, who belong to your region only, they have been always keen to inspire us, to motivate us, so that tourism get boost in this part of the state. And we assure you that in the coming times, this hill station will be one of the finest hill station in the entire northeastern region. And you people will be proud of that. One day these days are not far away, ladies and gentlemen, my dear brothers and sisters. This wooden tourist lodge, it was in a very deplorable condition. We have taken the initiative, tourism department. Now, the galaxy of leadership which are sitting there on the dais, we have inaugurated the renovated structure of Eden Tourist Lodge with good accommodation facility, good restaurant. I would invite you all that go and visit Eden Tourist Lodge tomorrow itself. What was Eden Tourist Lodge before 10 years before and what it stands today? We need to evaluate. Time has come, ladies and gentlemen, because we think Ek Tripura, Sreshta Tripura, and Sreshta Tripura cannot be made isolating a particular religion, isolating a particular community. And Jampoi region has been always a neglected region during the previous government. This particular area has got the potential to emerge as one of the finest hill stations in the entire northeastern region. But that was not neglected. Priority was not given. Our government has given priority to it by adding more and more avenues, by putting all our efforts to take it forward to the national level, to make it world class. In the coming times, we have to deliver a lot, and with the help of our Honorable Chief Minister, with the help of our Honorable Prime Minister and Government of India, we are committed in doing the same, ladies and gentlemen. Today's program will continue till tomorrow. Many small businessmen has come over here while taking entry. Myself along with other ministers and dignitaries have visited each and every stall which has been provided from tourism department as well as the SHG groups. In course of discussion, we came to know that the quality or volume of business which was last year has increased significantly this year, because this program will continue for 2 days. And this is the way we must give livelihood to the people of our state. Although we have some hurdles, our adjacent state, Mizoram, we have some disputes with the full domicile land, but this can be resolved amicably, I suppose, at the intervention of Government of India as well as our Chief Minister. There will be a clarion call from my side to the Government of Mizoram also, that if people over here earns money, people from Mizoram also can take part here. We believe in fraternity, we believe in tranquility, we believe in togetherness, and that's how we can make our country Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. Isolating Mizoram, isolating Meghalaya, isolating one particular religion, community, we cannot make India Vishwa Guru, which is the ultimate goal of our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. We have to work in this direction, my dear brothers and sisters. So whatever disputes are there prevailing, we have to settle it down amicably at the intervention of our Honorable Chief Minister, our Honorable Home Minister at the national level. Whatever gathering is here, as I have mentioned during my initial speech, that as the night progresses, there will be shivering cold and turnout would be more. You will enjoy the cultural program over here, and whatever performance will be taking place, I hope you all will enjoy it, you all will like it, because we have arranged, we are committed to live up to the expectation of the people of this region. With these few words, I thank you very, very much for coming in large number. I thank the North District Administration for extending their heartiest cooperation for making this program a grand success. I thank the Police Administration, District Administration, and each and every rank and file officials of Tourism Department who have toiled hard during these few years. I mean, since the commencement of our journey in 2018, and for few months to make this Promo Fest, Unity Promo Fest, this time a successful one. On 12th of December, we'll culminate our Unity Promo Fest 2005 at Agartala Astabal Maidan with eminent singer Zubin Nautiyal to perform. You all are cordially invited to be present there in Agartala on 12th of December this year. And I assure you, so long our government is there, Unity Promo Fest will continue in different districts, different subdivisions, and all nooks and corners of our state to promote Tripura as a global tourist destination and make it a harmonious place for all caste, religion, irrespective of any political color and identity. With these few words, I thank you once again. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জানাই আজকের অনুষ্ঠানের প্রধান অতিথি